Back in Companion, you go to the Surfaces tab and you add an emulator by clicking the Add button. You can name it whatever you like. And here in the settings, you can put in numbers and how many rows you want and how many columns you want for your buttons. Back in Buttons, you see the rows and the columns that you just created with the emulator. And here you can create a button. Let me just take this here. I delete it and I create a new button so that you see how it's done. I hit the Create button. I can give it a name. And here in the Add Press Action line, you choose your generic Midi 2 port and take a note on message. And here you put in which node you want to send to Logic. Mackie Control uses MIDI channel 1 to send and receive all the Mackie Control protocol messages. So for our buttons here, we use MIDI channel 16 so that we do not conflict with Mackie Control. There are other ways to communicate with Logic. You could also use keystrokes, but MIDI messages have the advantage that you have, like, I don't know, more than 100,000 different messages that you can send to Logic, whereas the keystrokes on your keyboard are limited. And besides, if you use keystrokes, you need an extra program that communicates between Logic and the received keystrokes.